Let's see rules to convert interrogative sentences to passive. Rule 1. If an interrogative sentence starts from do, does, or did, then while converting it to passive, the helping words am, is, are, was, were should be used according to the number and the person of the object. Rule 2. When the interrogative sentence starts from is, am, are, was, or were, then we should use being, B-E-I-N-G, being after the subject, and is, am, are, was, or were in starting of the sentences. Rule 3. When the interrogative sentence starts from has or have and had, then we should use be, double E, and been after the subject, and has or have and had in the starting of the sentences. Rule 4. When the interrogative sentence starts from shall or will or can or should, then we should use BEB after the new subject, and shall, will, can, could, should in the starting of the sentences. Rule 5. The question words when, why, where, how, or what does not change their position at the beginning of the sentence when the active voice is changed into the passive voice. Note that who changes to by whom and whom into who. Remember this. We have already learnt about yes, no questions in previous video. Today let's understand the structure of WH question in active and passive voice. Take a look at the image here, which shows the normal active voice structure. WH word, auxiliary, then subject, then verb, and then object. While changing the sentence into passive, this structure becomes WH word plus auxiliary plus subject plus V3 plus by plus agent. Let's make it clear with the example. Here is the sentence. Why did she punish you? Why question word, did helping verb, punish verb. Now let's find out subject and object. Who punished you? She punished you. Subject. Then she punished whom? You. So you is object here. According to the rule, why remain placed in the beginning of the sentence. Step 2. Places of subject and object are exchanged. You is written on subject's place and her on object's place. Suitable helping verb of to be of past tense were is used that agrees with the new subject. Then punished V3 is written, then preposition by is used before her. And here is the sentence, why were you punished by her? There are some more examples. Take a look. Why have you bought this ticket? Why has this ticket been bought by you? When will you return the book? When will the book be returned by you? What did she buy? What was bought by her? Here is one more sentence for you to practice. Pause the video, take a pen and a book, and let's convert the sentence to passive. Let's go step by step. Where does she teach English every day? Step 1. Find out SVO. Step 2. Put where in the beginning of the sentence according to the rule. Exchange the places of subject and object. This sentence is in simple present tense, so use suitable to be helping verb and place it before the subject. Convert V1 to V3 and use by before agent and question mark. Here is the answer. Where is English taught by her every day? Question beginning with who. In such kind of sentences, who acts as subject? Who wrote this letter? By whom was this letter written? Let's understand it with an example. Here is the structure of interrogative sentences with who and whom. Structure 1. Who, auxiliary, verb and object. Let's make this clear with an example here in this image. Who will call him? Who will change to by whom in passive, and it is placed in the beginning of the sentence. Who is subject, will call verb and him object. Sentence start with by whom, then will is written, then he object, then be and called. By whom will he be called? Here is the structure 2. Who plus be plus object plus V3 plus by. Who opened the door? Who subject, open verb, the door object. Who in the beginning of the sentence, then suitable helping verb that agrees with the subject is used, was, then opened, and then by. By whom was the door opened and who was the door opened by? Take a look at the sentences beginning with whom. Whom has the principal honored? Who has been honored by the principal? Whom has the police arrested? Who has been arrested by the police? Whom changes to who in passive voice. Then rest of the steps are same. Thank you for watching. That's all in this video.